Today we're looking at an end table with shelves and a charging station by WLive. Everything you need is packed in the box, and when I get the box, I like to unpack it and put it into piles where I think they're going to go together. And here are the instructions with the pegs and the screws. The wood was nice, solid pieces of wood for the shelving. I had a hard time figuring out how to use these screws. The screws hook into this fastener and they tighten up, and they do make for a very secure connection. And here I am putting it together. I think it took me like 1.5, 2 hours to put it together. Once I got the rift with those screws, I was good to go. And it went together fairly easily, and I was very happy with the quality on this. Got it all together, just snugging it up and peeling away the stickers that marked which pieces went where. And here it is in use. You can see there's a drawer there. The back part of the stand opens up, and you've got 2 electric inputs and you've got 2 USB chargers. Very, very convenient. There's a nice drawer, and the USB power from inside comes from underneath the table. You've got a wall wart plug there. Very happy with this table. I think the price was great. I'm really enjoying it, and I definitely give it a thumbs up.